Welcome back, everybody. We're in Chapter 1, Learning Unit 1-2. Let's get started. In number 1, it's add by totaling each separate column. In this case, the 4, 9, and 1 give us 14. The 7, 3 is 10, and 4 more gives us 14. 9, 4, and 9 will give us 22, and we keep indenting one position. The 8, the 6, and the 6 gives us 20. Or in this case, it adds up to be 22,354. In question 2, we first want to estimate by rounding and then do the actual calculation. Well, to estimate by rounding all the way, we look to our leftmost digit. So the 4 is the identified digit. Look to the right. It's less than 5, so that's 4,000. In the 8,794, you look to the left, 8. Look to the right, 5 or greater, yep. So that makes our estimate here for 9,000 rounded all the way. The 3,872, identified digit is 3. Look to the right, it's 5 or greater, the 8, so that becomes 4,000. So if we add up everything, the 4, the 9, and the 4, it comes to be 17,000 is our estimate. If we do the actual calculation, 4 and 1 is 5 and 2 more is 7. 4 and 9 is 13 and 7 is 20, carry the 2. 2 and 2 is 4, and 7 more is 11, and 8 is 19, carry the 1. 5 and 8 is 13, and 3 more is 16. As you can see, the actual is a little bit less than the estimate. In question number 3, subtract and check your answers. Well, you can't subtract 7 from 6, so we have to borrow from the, tens position? So now we have 16 take away 7 is 9. We have 6 take away 6 now is 0. But we can't subtract 9 from 8, so we borrow from the 9, leaving that as an 8, and we now become 18. 18 take away 9 is 9. 8 take away 4 is 4. We can check this by taking our answer of 4909 plus the 4967, which will get us back to the 9876. In number 4, Jackson Manufacturing projected its sales at 900,000. During the year 2013, it earned 510,000 and also 369,100. In this case, we calculate total sales first. Notice again we can use the blueprint where we have our major clients and other clients. We're solving for how much were we over or under. We need to take our steps to project what? All the total sales minus actual sales to give our over or underestimated sales. And keep in mind that projected sales is the minuend and actual sales is the subtrahend will equal our difference. Well, when we add in step 1 total sales, we get 879.1. We then take our estimate of 900,000 and subtract 900,000 less 879.1, and again that will give us 20,900. Keeping in mind now that you will not be able to subtract a 1 from a 0, so we have to borrow from the 9 to make it an 8. The rest are 9s with the 10 in the position near the 1. Again, 20,900.